I need to buy large quantity of access panels for plaster ceiling. Do you have in stock? There you go. This is the best sell access panels. Looks good. But I'm running a construction material store. All my clients, they buy access panel for home use, and they need it with screw putty on every screw holes, so they can paint it directly after installation. Can you do that for me? Yes, no problem. We can make nice putty on each hose. Check this out. Yes, excellent. This is what I'm looking for. What about your lead time for a 20-foot container? 20 days from the advance payment. Other supplier usually 30 days or even more because we are factory. We make very fast. Dear Gyptek, you are really expert of access panels. Now I'm taking this sample to show my clients.